Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to create a free affiliate website using Google Sites. In this guide, we will walk you through each stage of the process, from setting up your Google Sites account to publishing your website and promoting it. The primary purpose of this affiliate website is for your social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok bio links, as well as YouTube and Facebook Reels. This tutorial is for beginners and anyone can do it. So, let's dive right in and discover how you can harness the power of Google Sites to create an attractive and functional affiliate website that drives traffic and generates revenue. Step 1. Sign in to Google Sites. Open your web browser and go to Google Sites at sites.google.com. Sign in using your Google account. If you don't have one, create a new account. Step 2. Start a new website. Click on the plus create button to start a new website. Choose a blank template to have full control over the design and layout. Step 3. Customize your website. Give your website a name and select a URL for it. Click on the theme button to select a design template or customize the colors, fonts, and layout manually. Change the banner if you want to make it more personal. Step 4. Create pages. Click on the Pages button on the right sidebar. Click on the plus create button to add new pages to your website. Create pages such as home and about. You can add more if you want. Step 5. Customize page layout. Click on the page you want to edit from the sidebar. Click on the edit button to make changes to the content. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, videos, and other elements to your page. You can also change banner style and add your own banner to make it more personalized. Step 6. Add affiliate content. On the home page, add an affiliate products you want to promote. I use the 4 items content blocks, which displays 4 photos and a text below. We will add links to the text so that it will redirect to the affiliate website where your followers can check out the items. Include affiliate links to those products using your affiliate program account. In my case, I will be using Amazon, but you can use other online shops like Shopee and Lazada. It is highly recommended that the items you promote have excellent reviews, and it's even more preferable if you have personally used them and genuinely recommend them to your followers. I also added a section to display a video from YouTube. Use the YouTube option from the sidebar and add the video link. Step 7. Check preview. Click the preview button at the top of the page. You can preview what the web page will look like on desktop, tablet, and mobile. If you are satisfied, proceed to the next step. If not, you can simply make the desired changes. Step 8. Publish your website. Once you are satisfied with your website, click on the Publish button on the top right corner. Choose a domain name provided by Google or use a custom domain if you have one. Review the sharing settings and click on Publish to make your website live. Step 9. Use link shortener. If you will not use your own domain name, I suggest to use a link shortener. As an example, I used Bitly. Use your page name to personalize the link and not a random link generated by Bitly. Step 10. Promote your affiliate website. Share your website on social media platforms to attract visitors. Consider creating a blog to provide valuable content related to your affiliate products. Engage with your audience and build a community around your website. You can also have the option to use your own domain name to make it more professional. You can get your personal domain name by going to the settings and click Custom Domains to start setup. Remember, while Google Sites provides an easy and free way to create a website, it may have limitations compared to more robust website builders or platforms. However, it can still be a great starting point for your affiliate website. Here's the final look of our website. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions.